What is a voltage series feedback amplifier? In the voltage series feedback circuit, a fraction of the output voltage is applied in series with the input voltage through the feedback circuit. This is also known as shunt-driven series feedback, that is a parallel series circuit. The following figure shows the block diagram of voltage series feedback, by which it is evident that the feedback circuit is placed in shunt with the output but in series with the input. As the feedback circuit is connected in shunt with the output impedance is decreased, and due to the series connection with the input impedance is increased.